It's these substandard motels on the la corner of 4th and Fremont Street. Appealing only cause they're just that unappealing. Any practice Catholic would cross themselves upon entering. The rooms have a hint of asbestos and maybe just a dash of formaldehyde, and the habit of decomposing right before your very eyes, along with the people inside. What a wonderful caricature of intimacy inside. What a wonderful caricature of intimacy. Tonight's an inch range from a lawyer and a virgin, rising with a rosary tucked inside her lingerie. She's getting a job at the firm come Monday. The missus will stay with the cheating attorney. Moonlighting aside, she really needs this money. A wonderful caricature of intimacy. Yeah. And not to mention the constable and his proposition for that virgin. Yes, the one the lawyer met with on Strictly Business, as he said to the missus, well, only hours before, after he had left, she was fixing her face in a compact. There was a terrible crash. There was a terrible crash between her and the bed. She spilled her purse on her bed and held the purse of a different kind. With the people inside. What a wonderful caricature of intimacy inside. What a wonderful caricature of intimacy. There are no raindrops on roses and girls in white dresses and sleeping with roaches and taking baths out of the sheets, and before all the stains and a few more of your least favorite things. Raindrops on roses and girls in white dresses and sleeping with roaches and taking baths out of the sheets, and before all the stains and a few more of your least favorite things. Inside, what a wonderful caricature of intimacy. Inside, what a wonderful caricature of intimacy. Raindrops on roses and girls in white dresses and sleeping with roaches and taking baths out of the sheets, and before all the stains and a few more of your least favorite things. Raindrops on roses and the girls in white dresses and sleeping with the roaches and the taking baths out